Alright, smile for your picture, but by the way, you should have done that better with your hair. Like, make it straight. Now smile.
Cheese!
Next!
So rude.
Cheese. Next! What are you wearing? Are you supposed to be even wearing
Okay,
that?
first of all, before you even say anything, old man, I can wear whatever I want.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you
can
better
take a
be.
picture. I'm so sorry.
Let me do a pretty pose for my Insta.
Chin?
Cheese.
Chin?
Cheese.
Cheese? Cheese! Chin? 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 Chin?
Hi, my name is Clerky. Get away from my forehead!
Yeah. Alright, kids. Since I took all your pictures, now when one of you guys died anything like a car accident, getting ran over, anything, when one of it disappears, it will let the whole school know.
Hey, little nerd, can't you see that that's my seat? Get up!
What? How? Since when this was your
Get
seat?
up.
Ugh.
Follow what Megan says. She's so cruel.
I know. She's so popular. She even has a boyfriend.
I know, I wish I was her.
Loser.
Hey,
Huh?
did you know that the Earth has 1,000,000% of water?
Yeah. Why? Do you not know? You're in high school.
Oh yeah. We could be together, you know.
No! Ew!
Whoa! Hey! That is my...
The morning
That's my boyfriend.
Hey, knock it off!
First of all, you don't tell me what to do. Second of all, are you Thanos or Mishanos?
Oh my
Look like a
gosh.
man. You better watch your mouth, Mishanos, or I'll fork you up.
Actually, my husband got forked in
Oh.
Squid Game.
Oh.
Now have a seat.
Ugh!
Hi, class. My name is Miss Shanos. Most people call me Thanos. And today we're going to be learning about Squid Game. That's the day where my husband was in. But he was supposed to win, like, all the money for me and my family because we were living kind of poor. Wait, isn't that the series Squid Game?
Shut up!
Shut your mouth. It's none of people's business. Well, you know a lot of people watch that.
Miss
Hey!
Shanos,
Yes?
can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, dear. But don't get forked.
Ooh, talk about the lunch really got me!
Why did the lights go out?
I love dark. I hope it stays like this!
Oh, I hate this. This school deserves nothing. I want to go to a new school.
Babe, you know what? We should ditch it. Let's go to Starbucks and have a date.
Yeah. Man, the channel's not doing anything about it.
Exactly.
High five.
Whoa!
Oh.
My glasses! My glasses! I lost my glasses! I want my mom!
No. Miss Shanos, do something.
Miss Shanos!
It's just an earthquake. Have you not practiced for earthquake warnings?
No! Have you prepared yourself? I did too much science for this! Maggie!